Harish Kotecha in 3 words, that would be an engineer, entrepreneur, and a community leader. His journey is the definition of resilience. He was born in Uganda in a Gujarati business family. Uncle often describes himself as a Hindu by heritage, African by birth, British by nationality, and American by naturalization. Following the 1972 expulsion from Uganda, he came to US with merely $200, and he was determined to rebuild himself, which he did. He worked for 28 years at IBM, and there were a lot of patents and other things publications that he did for the company. And then he decided to retire. But retirement didn't mean slowing down for Mr. Harish, as you all know. Nobody can slow down Mr. Harish. It just meant a redirection. So guided by the motto, serve where you live, he started a charitable organization, and he helped people in Austin in many different ways. He realized what had happened to him could happen to anyone. So what is the most powerful thing that anyone should have? That is education. And that's where Uncle comes from. A lot of his community service is around education. We see his legacy in his children, Sonia and Sawan, who carry forward his spirit of service and excellence. But beyond the awards and the patents, I want to speak to the Harish Kotecha I have known for almost 10 years. So Uncle, I am going to spill some of the beans. It's been a roller coaster ride with Uncle. 10 years back when I met him, he was bubbling with ideas and a lot of things, he wanted to discuss with him. And I kind of got that vibe from him, the spark, and somewhere we clicked, because we both are in one way control freak. We want everything to be controlled, but not in a bad way, just to make sure things are running perfectly. So the control comes with perfection. And he's become like parents to us in US. He's been part of all the important journey that I've had, my special occasions, showering me with affection and teaching me the true meaning of giving back. And so has Auntie done the same. She's like a mother to me. Uncle, my biggest takeaway from you is simple living and high thinking. You lead by example, showing us that a life well lived is one lived for others. Happy 80th birthday, and I look forward to many more adventures with you, Uncle. I welcome Mr. Harish Kotecha to say a few words. Everyone, a round of applause.
Difficult for me to read from here. But what you have done is you have given me a gift of time. You have shared your time with me, and that's what this is about. And what we are trying to do is relive some of it. And we can't obviously relive everything. If we did, I think this will go through a couple more days. Birthdays, you do this, you do that, you light a candle, etc. Blow the candles. But I thought that 80 years, let's put another thing, which is, relive the moments with me. And as I said, I thank each of you here to have shared your life sometime or the other, and also being here. And that's really, really appreciate. And of course, the family and my wife for 54 years. So. We want to give us a big hand for having tolerated me. In 1983, helped me change the course of my life. And that in a way was a rebirth, and I really appreciate it. Sonia is here as well. Sonia, you understand? Lot of the times in Austin, I have to introduce myself as Sonia's father. Don't tell me you don't know each other, because I'm the problem threat. Okay, thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
My dad. I love you, Dad, and I hope you guys all have an amazing night.